Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your donut and grow a garden. To begin your delicious journey, you'll need to visit the in-game shop and purchase a special donut seed. These seeds typically cost around 50 coins, a small investment for a sweet reward. Once you have your seed, choose a sunny spot in your garden. Make sure the soil is well prepared. Tilling it at least 3 times will ensure optimal growing conditions for your future donut. Nurturing your donut plant is key to a successful harvest. Remember to water it consistently, providing about 1 cup of fresh water each day. For an extra boost, fertilize your plant every 2 days with some rich organic compost. This will help it grow strong and healthy. You'll notice your donut plant will take approximately 7 in-game days to fully mature from a tiny sprout into a ready-to-harvest treat. Once your donut plant is fully grown and glowing, it's time to harvest. Simply click on it to collect your fresh donut. Now, head over to the crafting station located inside your cozy farmhouse. Here, you'll transform your plain donut into a delightful treat. You'll need to combine your harvested donut with 1 packet of sugar and 1 tube of frosting to complete the process. Now for the best part, customizing and enjoying your creation. Feel free to add any sprinkles or other fun toppings you have in your inventory to make your donut truly unique. You can even share your delicious, homemade donut with your in-game friends to earn some valuable bonus points. And of course, don't forget to eat your donut. It will instantly restore 25 energy points for your character, helping you continue your gardening adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.